Hi teachers, I'm Casey Moscow from Doyle High School. I'm going to show you a quick tip on how you can get your standards into your Google Classroom and cause them to update each time. Once I have downloaded and made a copy of the standards tracking sheet from the district, I'm going to go ahead and put my name in front of mine so I can keep track with that file. I want to do File and scroll down to Publish to the Web. I'm going to cause this to publish and tell it it's okay. And then down here in the settings, if you expand this window at the bottom, you want to leave this checked that says to automatically republish when changes are made. I want to click on the link that I'm given at the top and hit Control-C to copy, or right-click Control-C. When I go to my classroom and I'm ready to post my standards, I'm going to create material, and I'm going to title this Standards Tracking, and I'm going to add a link. That link is where I'm going to hit Control-V to paste the link to my now published page. I'm going to tell this that I want to create a new topic called Standards Tracking. Maybe in the title I want to be specific to what subject I'm in, totally up to you. And then now for all of my chemistry courses, I can choose to go ahead and post the link to my published Excel worksheets document. When I come in to my document, I want to leave this as published. I don't want to change that. I can now come in, and for just an example, I can say that I taught this on this date and I taught this on this date. Okay, so notice those are there. Sometimes it does take a minute for things to sync up in the Google Cloud, but if I click back over to my classwork and expand this and click on the link, I can now see the changes that were made, and it does show that it's updated. That will work for all of your courses. Notice that no students have the option to share or download this worksheet, but they can still see what you were doing, and so can our admin and our central office staff. Now what that did was it also, if I switch to my 4th hour chemistry class and go to my classwork and expand, it posted in all of my classes, but that link should work for this class as well. And there are my dates. Now to recap, if I want to edit this document, I should not, I'm going to repeat, should not do so from the Google Classroom. You will go into your Drive, and then you will choose the standard sheet that you are wanting to work in. Mine is already open, but even if I close it to show you, I want to go into my Drive. I want to open my standards document, and then I would want to expand and type in and continue, and it will automatically publish to your Google Classroom.